So this is the Bluff Trail at Saltwater Park, which is an interpretive trail. You are here. They say they have an interpretive center, but I've never seen it open. It's a bit about English ivy and how destructive it is. Come on. Go this way. Oh, look. The salmon berries are already coming in. I'm surprised by that. Seems a bit early. Could be wrong. Look. Come on, Hoover. Come on. Come on. This isn't Hoover's normal trail, so he's a little excited about it. Come on. This way. Hey. He loves seeing new places. Come on. This is actually a nice little trail. It's not too steep. It's relatively flat. I think it'd be an easy walk for most people. You can see they're trying to restore the natural order of things. Love to have that burl right there. These are thimbleberries, which are pretty much raspberries as far as I can tell, which is pretty much what the salmon berries are. Indian plum. Those are tiny little plums. And they're not very good. There's the snowberries, which of course don't have any berries on them this time of year. But they're white berries. I think they're considered poisonous. I'm not positive they are. But I've never eaten one, so. An alder tree. See where they've been planting native species. It's the chimney. Some sign around here that explains that somewhere. Not sure where it is. Oh, there it is. I'm glad they've been cleaning up the English ivy. So, here's the explanation of the chimney. And of course, the make-believe maples. Make-believe maples are all over the place. Cottonwood tree. Right now the cottonwoods are actually blooming. So we're getting cottonwood fluff everywhere. Right there. Alright, stop at that one. Come on back here. Come on. Western red cedar. Which, you know, you can expect. Go ahead. This takes you right along. Ocean spray. Baked hazelnut. I like hazelnuts. I've been getting rid of all the ivy, which is a good thing. A lot of times I'll stop and take pictures for Mrs. Grumpy. Because right now she doesn't get to come on our walks, and I'd like her to. There's an evergreen huckleberry. There's actually a lot of huckleberries around here. Then we get to the top of the bluff. There's a hell of a view up here. You see, it wasn't very steep. It's pretty easy to walk. Of course, he says, stay away from hillside. But Hoover ignores that. I'm pretty sure he can read, he just ignores it. He gets to look down on everybody down there at the park. Some more. Flowers. Like I said, I like taking pictures of the flowers. Even something as simple as a daisy. Actually, a really nice view up here. Even if it is a bit of a peekaboo view. Sometimes when we come up here, it's just so peaceful. Only once have I ever seen other people up here. But man, when it's windy, it is windy up here. Come on. This way. Ooh, look at that little guy. Bracken fern. Sounds a bit like a cartoon curse word, doesn't it? Bracken fern. Where's that bracken fern rabbit? One funny thing is on our walks, I usually take pictures of flowers. In the fall, when there's no flowers, I take pictures of mushrooms. And I send them to Mrs. Grumpy. When we go for a walk, and Mrs. Grumpy's having her nails done, she starts getting these pictures of flowers. And her manicurist gets all worked up, calls her husband and tells him about it, and kind of yells at him because he doesn't do anything romantic for her, and then it doesn't cost anything. It's free. And quite frankly, free is a good price. Free is my second favorite price. The only thing better than free is paid to take it. What's that for a view, huh? There's the boat, got the water, got the sound. Pretty sure that's Gig Harbor in the background there. Come on, let's keep going. Come on, let's keep going. Come on. And there's salal. I don't even know what salal is, but this of course tells you about it. Apparently you can eat salal berries fresh. Used as a sweetener. Never eat salal berries. Not specific madrone. Got a lot of madrone trees around here. It's got kind of an interesting wood. And I believe the berries are edible as well. Back to the snowberries. Don't eat the snowberries. Snowberries belong to the realm of the dead or something. And up here at the top is a nice little picnic area, which would be a great place to have a little get together. Like I said, I've never seen anybody up here. Well, maybe on the really nice warm days there are. Nice covered area, so it's shady in the summer. It's dry in the winter. It'd be a great time to come up here. Right now would be a great time to come up here and have a get together. Come on, Hoover. Come on. Lots of places to have picnics. Take the lower trail that we took. It's a gentle slope up. This one is a little bit steeper if you took this direction. So from the entrance, if you take the left, it's a shallower slope up and then a steeper slope down. Those pearls. Of course, we have the markers for the trees. Cord fern. Got lots of sword ferns around here. And more snowberries. Nice that they've cleaned the English ivy out of here. This whole park's getting covered up in English ivy. For that matter, so is my yard. I don't know who the hell brought that here, but I'd like to just... Yeah, I don't know. Come on. Hey, you're not supposed to be in there. Come on. Come on. Yeah, look at you. That's false Solomon seal. You know that's edible. That's a grand fir. Yeah, it's a big ass tree, isn't it? It's a big tree. Of course, one of the problems here is the park isn't being kept as well as it should be. And the restrooms are closed up here. I've never seen them open. They're pretty much... Go ahead. Come on, let's go. There's actually a nice little passage here between the picnic area and the restroom. Come on. want to get up there and pose? Come on. Come on, Hoover. Come on, this way. No, this way. This way. This way. Come on. I'm going home now. I'm hungry. Come on. Come on, we're going home. And that's the trail. It's a nice little loop. And, well, see if I post this as a video. I'm not sure people really watch the long ones, but you know, Mrs. Grumpy gets to, and she can sort of vicariously go on a walk, and that's a good thing. So, you know, like, subscribe, encourage me a little bit, and I'll try to keep posting. I haven't been very good at it lately, but we'll see how it goes.